being able to have townships that support composting and being able to reduce the amount of waste that we're creating, I think would be huge.
The most important aspect of a house is just the ability to save energy and save electricity and save water.
The consumption monitoring. So in addition to the solar production, you can also monitor your actual electricity consumption.
Comfort in a lot of different ways, thermal comfort or, peace of mind comfort, physical comfort.
Considering I live in Florida and we are feeling the brunt of climate change this June, I would definitely say that a big association with home is air conditioning.
One word that just springs to mind whenever I think about the concept of home is safety, both of the concept of physical safety of the family, but also resiliency for issues going forward.
I am a renter, and there's things that just kill me on a daily basis that I see. It's like a 50-floor high-rise, right? It's the constant air conditioning, the constant lighting that's ongoing. I try to do what I can in terms of what I believe in.
My husband and I purchased a home in a historic district. It feels like a privilege, and I think that that's going to be reflected when we do make changes to our home, that we're going to balance our modern preferences for more natural materials, historic features, etc.
We've managed to pass 6 ordinances, policies, and mandates that helped to get us on the right foot and the right side of history as a city. Citizens, homeowners, and renters were without a doubt the number one factor that led to us being able to pass those different kinds of policies. Public comment, people physically showing up, calling, and really speaking their minds made the difference.
It seems every time I do buy a house, I spend a lot of money retrofitting it because it was built in the 80s, and there's all sorts of things that are inefficient, like updating the windows, sealing leaks, and getting new AC units.
We bought this house not because it was a dream home. We bought it for practical reasons, and so the barrier of investment is really challenging. But to spin that into solutions, I think it's also just helpful to have the education of steps along a journey.
It's kind of like Maslow's hierarchy of needs, but it's a different narrative for every home builder. It's a different narrative for every supplier and remodeler and general contractors to what those priorities are. If they can't get to solar, what is it between where they're at right now and solar that they're not getting?
There are a lot of people who just can't afford to pay to upgrade their houses. The incentives aren't there. Education is relatively simple. When you say, yeah, you can save, $15 on your energy bill a month, you can save $20. You can give them some basis. They'll go, oh yeah, that's worth it. But they don't have the upfront investment that they need to really pay for stuff.
Affordability seems to be a huge, come out of nowhere type issue, not just from a rental standpoint, but also how do you provide affordable, high quality housing going forward in desired locations? And that seems to be something I'm spending a tremendous amount of time figuring out.